Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to eliminate about C number 1, C number 2. So in this situation, we know that this one that is about complementary solution. This one we have negative number 5 that is about particular solution. So I will concentrate this one. So we know that we have number 3 and negative number 1. That means we have lambda equals to number 3 and lambda equals to negative number 1. So if I put number 3 go to the left, negative number 1 go to the left, and we have lambda equals to number 3. Lambda minus number 3 equal to number 0, and lambda plus 1 equal to number 0, and they are the factor of complementary solution. Next, we need to expand this one. This one we have negative number 2. Later that we put about e to the power of lambda s. And now we need to transform this one into first and second derivative of y and original of y. So we have like this. Next, we have particular solution. So because we want to find what is the unit on the right, so we have this one. Now we need to do first derivative of yb. So we have like this. So we do first derivative of s. So we have like this. We do first derivative of e to the power of negative s. We have like this. Because we have the negative with negative in here, we have positive. So this is about the product rule of derivative. Now we go to second derivative of yp. Oh, sorry about that. Now we have this one. So I will put this one go on here, this one go on here, and this one go on here. So we simplify this one. Oh, sorry, not equal to number 0. So we need to simplify this one. And we have 20 e to the power of negative s. And now we combine this one and this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.